Decoding Conditionals. Mastering might in third conditional sentences. Hello, English learners. Welcome to our video today. In our quest to master English, we are diving into an interesting and important part of English grammar. We are exploring the fascinating world of modal verbs and conditional sentences, focusing on the third conditional with might. This topic is particularly useful when we want to talk about different, often hypothetical, situations. Before we delve into using might in third conditional sentences, let's quickly review the basics. The third conditional is used to talk about unreal or hypothetical situations in the past. It's composed of two clauses: the if clause, which is in the past perfect tense, and the main clause, which uses would have, could have, or might have, followed by a past participle. A common third conditional sentence could be, if I had seen you, I would have waved. Now, let's introduce might into our third conditional sentences. When we use might have in the main clause of a third conditional sentence, it expresses a possibility that didn't occur in the past. For example, if he had studied harder, he might have passed the exam. Here, we're discussing a hypothetical situation. The person did not study hard, and so he didn't pass the exam. Might have passed suggests that passing the exam was a possibility, but it didn't happen because the condition wasn't fulfilled. One of the interesting uses of might in third conditional sentences is to express uncertainty about the past. When you're unsure whether something happened or not, might can be your go-to modal verb. Consider this sentence: if she had left the house early, she might have caught the bus. This sentence implies that the speaker is uncertain whether she caught the bus or not. Now, it's time for a quick practice. Try to form third conditional sentences using might. Here are a couple of prompts. 1. If you had brought an umbrella, you blank not gotten wet. 2. If he had remembered her birthday, she blank not been upset. Fill in the blanks and check your answers. 1. Might have. 2. Might have. That wraps up our journey into the world of might in third conditional sentences. This has been a crucial step in strengthening your understanding of conditional sentences and modal verbs. We hope you find this knowledge useful in your everyday conversations, academic writing, and English language tests. Keep practicing, and soon enough, these structures will become second nature. Until next time, happy learning!